Ever had the helpless feeling that engulfs you when your cell phone is lost or stolen? When all you can do is deactivate the SIM card and then despair because your handset can still be sold in the grey market? Wouldn't it be nice that you could stop your handset being used or sold when lost or stolen? Yes, there is a way. The IMEI number. This number is exclusive to each handset, something like a chassis number on your car. When your handset is stolen or lost, reporting your IMEI number to your service provider will block the handset from being further used. This works because when a phone is switched on, the IMEI number is transmitted and checked against a database of blacklisted or greylisted phones in the network's Equipment ID register. This Equipment ID register determines whether the phone can log on to the network to make and receive calls. A blocked phone is as good as a paperweight or a weapon. IMEI stands for International Mobile Equipment Identity. This is a 15-digit serial number of the phone, which is a unique identity number given to every single mobile phone. IMEI can be found almost always below the battery of the mobile phone. This code can be seen on your mobile handset by typing *#06#. This is a GSM code and works on all the mobile phones regardless of the make. This IMEI number identifies your phone every time you log on to the network. There is a catch to all this numeric jargon. If you don't have the bill for your handset, then even the service providers can't help you. For along with the IMEI number and your complaint, they also need an FIR and a copy of the original bill to establish that you are the first owner. But with the shelf life of a handset being 6 months to a year and the consumers replacing their handsets every year or so, do people really mind if their handset is lost or stolen?